So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure this ABCD is a rectangle. So this is A point, this is B point, this is C point and this is D point and this is one rectangle. This PQ is 3 centimeter, which is the radius of this circle, and QR is 2 centimeter, which is the radius of this circle. Q point is lying here, and we have to find the radius of this third circle, which is this circle. So let's see how we can do this. So you see, we are given the radius of this bigger circle as 3 centimeter. So with the help of this, we can find out the one of the rectangle side. Like we know, this circle is touching this CD line and AB line. So this distance, uh, which is this AD distance, this is simply the diameter of the circle, and the distance is 2 times radius, which is 6 centimeters. So we can directly found this distance AD is 6 centimeter, and we know in the rectangle opposite sides are same. So if AD is 6 centimeter, this BC is also 6 centimeter. So now we know this BC length is 6 centimeter. So there is another way to write this BC length in terms of the radius of the smaller circle, and let's see how we can write that. So let's assume this OI as X. So we are assuming the radius of this circle as X, and you just draw one perpendicular from this O point to this RX line, and it will intersect this RX line at this Z point, and here it is 90-degree angle. And this ZS distance, it is same as this OY distance, which is this, and it is equal to X. And we know this RX distance, it is 2, which is the radius of this circle. This RS distance is the radius of this circle, and it is 2. So the remaining distance RZ is simply 2 minus X. We can easily see that because this is X and this whole is 2, so the remaining is 2 minus X. And we also know this both circle, this circle and this circle is touching at the this point. So the distance O, let's assume this is M. So this OM distance, we know it is the radius of this circle, which is X, and this RM distance, we know it is the radius of this circle, which is 2. R is this point. So this whole distance we can easily find out the 2 plus x, which is the summation of the radius of both circles. Because both circles are touching, so we can directly find this OR distance, and it will come like 2 plus x. So now you see there is one right angle triangle here, and we know this hypotenuse, which is 2 plus x, and we also know this base, which is 2 minus x. So we can directly find out this OZ distance by applying the Pythagorean theorem. So OZ square is simply 2 plus x whole square minus 2 minus x whole square, which is 4 plus x square plus 4x, and here it is 4 plus x square minus 4x. So after simplifying, it will come as 8x. So OZ square is simply 8x, and after taking square root, you can write OZ as root of 8x. So now you know this OZ distance, which is same as xy distance as root of 8x. So this x and y distance is same as this OZ, and it is root of 8x. We know this distance is x, which is the radius of this circle. So this cy distance is x, and this bx distance is 2, which is the radius of this circle. So now you can easily see that from here we can write this bc as bx, which is this, plus this xy plus this cy, which is 2 plus root of 8x plus x, and we know the bc, it is equal to this ad, which is 6. So from here, what you can do, you can take this 2 and x to the left hand side. It will come like 4 minus x, and you can take a square both side. So it will come like 4 minus x whole square is equal to 8x, which is 16 plus x square minus 8x is equal to 8x. So you can take this 8x to the left hand side, and it will become like x square minus 16x plus 16 is equal to 0. So from here you can find out the x value. It will come like 8 plus minus 4 root 3, but from figure you can see that this 8 plus 4 root 3 is obviously bigger than 6, and 6 is this whole distance, this BC. and you can see this x is just small part of the BC, so it cannot be 8 plus 4 root 3. So we disregard the this 8 plus 4 root 3, and we only take this 8 minus 4 root 3 because this x is smaller than 6. From figure we can easily see that this whole is 6 and this x is just a small part of this. So we are ignoring 8 plus 4 root 3, and the final answer of the radius of this circle is 8 minus 4 root 3. So in this way we can solve this.